and installed a TRD Pro style grill on my 2023 Tacoma SR. Enhances the front end a little. Looks pretty good on it. Wasn't too bad to install. There's plenty of videos online that tell you how to install them, so I wasn't going to go through all that. The only thing I'm going to add to it is when you install the garnish cover for the TSS sensor, and there you can see it right here. That's your garnish sensor. When you install that, the two pins on the top that use the little slip washers, lock washers, make sure that that piece is fully seated. In other words, make sure the top is pushed in all the way so that you can seat those washers. I know it's dark out here and probably not coming out very good, but if you seat the washers, then that garnish cover is going to fit properly, and you should not have any TSS errors show up. I have not had any TSS errors at all since I've installed this. So, nice little project, and enhances the front end of the truck.